everyone, this is Shagun Singh, and this time we are going to do an experiment to see the refraction of a beam of light through a glass slab. So here I have already drawn the structure. So we are going to put two pins, the first pin on the extended incident ray and the second pin on the emergent ray. Now we are going to pass a ray, a beam of light. Now we can see that the ray which is getting refracted is visible on the first pin. But if we remove the glass slab, it will be visible on the next pin, which is the extended incident ray. Again, if we put like this, we can see. Now let us remove everything to label the diagram. So first of all, this is going to be our incident ray. And this is our emergent ray. So now we are going to measure the angle of incidence first. Always we measure the angle of incidence from the 90 degree. So we can see that angle of incidence is equals to 45 degree. Then like this we are going to measure the angle of emergence. Angle of emergence and angle of incidence is always equal. So here we have angle of emergence equals to 45 degree. Same like this we are going to measure angle of refraction from 90 degree. We can see that the angle of refraction is 27 degree. Angle of refraction is equals to 27 degree. So this is also our angle of refraction, which is 27 degree. Now we are going to measure the lateral displacement of the incident ray. This is lateral displacement is equals to 1.8 centimeter. Now let us mention everything. Angle of incidence is equals to 45 degree. Angle of refraction is equals to 27 degree. Angle of emergence is equals to 45 degree. And lateral displacement is 1.8 centimeter. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.